Efficiency is key when you're stock picking, restocking inventory, fulfilling orders, and performing routine facility maintenance. I'm Aaron Haynes, and I'm here to highlight the features of our newly redesigned 10MSP stock picker. Forget stock pickers that make you drive, stop, then lift. The new 10MSP simultaneously drives and lifts. That means you can quickly get into position, load items, and move on to the next task. Navigate your facility more efficiently with a 5-mile-per-hour maximum stowed drive speed. And those narrow aisles and stockroom doorways are no problem. The counter-rotational steering allows you to easily maneuver through those spaces. The 10MSP can also operate in temperatures from 0 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it ideal for cold storage applications like food warehousing and production. Carry more in fewer trips with an up to 850-pound total vehicle capacity. The capacity breakdown includes a 350-pound platform capacity, a 250-pound carry deck capacity, and an up to 250-pound material tray capacity. When you step into the platform, self-closing saloon gates with these interlocks ensure security while in motion. The platform measures 20 by 27 inches to give you plenty of room to work. And a standard lanyard attachment point means that you can easily tie off at height. The intuitive dual-handed controls require both hands to be in the basket while the stock picker is moving. For more comfort and peace of mind, the rigid mast reduces sway while you complete a task at height. Customize the machine to your facility with new platform options, like a powered material tray, object sensing pad, remote manual descent, and rubber floor mat. Frame-mounted bumpers protect the surrounding environment. And the ground controls on this model are easy to access. They include lift lower ground operation, a main power switch, brake release, e-stop, and an LCD display with helpful indicators for battery life, fault codes, and other information. We designed the 10MSP to keep you on the job and highly productive. It comes standard with maintenance-free AGM batteries, which means fewer service calls and lower total cost of ownership. The lubrication-free MAST guide system also reduces downtime and promotes higher utilization. With features that enhance productivity, safety, and performance, the JLG 10MSP stock picker gives you the confidence to handle any job. For more information, please contact your local JLG representative or visit us at JLG.com.